Worried about someone seeing your private app notification from secure folder? With this quick setting, you can choose whether to show or hide notification content from apps stored inside your secure folder, keeping your private data truly private. To do so, go to the app screen, then tap secure folder, enter your screen lock, tap the three dot, then tap setting, tap notification, and then choose one of these options. You can choose show content to display app notification content from secure folder, or choose hide content to show notification without revealing details. As the example, you can choose hide content when you still want to know you have received something but don't want anyone reading over your shoulder. And that's how you control app notification in your secure folder. Now you can decide how much privacy you want, total secrecy or just subtle alert. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.